Welcome to Mercedes-Benz of Burlington. Here are some frequently asked questions about our E-Class sedan. Taking a look at our lineup, this car lies right in between our C-Class and S-Class sedans, offering ample luxury, comfort, and performance. So our E-Class is made in many different models: our E350, our E450, our E450 wagon, offering more space, our E53 AMG, and our E63 AMG. So this specific one that we have in our showroom is in our Sonoran brown paint color, which is specifically for our S-Class and E-Class models. When you're comparing the body style of older models versus newer models, you will notice a huge difference between the two of them, and that's because this was recently redesigned in 2024. So in addition to our body's restyling, Mercedes-Benz also added pop-out door handles that are motion censored and fit flush with the car's body. So moving on to the rear end of the vehicle, you'll notice right away these taillights are different. They have the Mercedes-Benz logo highlighted in them. Another awesome feature that is included in most of our Mercedes-Benz vehicles is our motion sensor trunk open and close. So hopping inside, we've got our macchiato beige leather interior, our panoramic sunroof, and looking at our cabin here, we've got our memory seating, heated and ventilated seats. We've got our steering wheel with all of our controls. We've got our service screen on this side and our multimedia touchscreen on this side. We do have the capability in the E-Class to extend our touchscreen here to create a hyperscreen, but in this model specifically, we have our ambient lighting that backlights our trim. So if you have any questions or you want to learn more about this beautiful vehicle, come down to Mercedes-Benz of Burlington, part of the Lion Auto Group.